So we start off today's video with someone who has long, black, curly, wavy hair. The stylist cuts all that hair off, and it does look like she might be getting a bob for this hair change. Wow, look at how thick and full this bob is. Beautiful angled shape. Wow, she looks absolutely amazing. Such an inspiring hair change. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be checking out a variety of hair transformations, hairstyle ideas, options that you can play around with this season. So if you've been thinking of doing something new with your hair and you're in need of some major inspiration, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now here we have a rather dramatic mini bob haircuts. This one comes to around her lip line, crazy insane. And then we have this really pretty feathered bob haircuts. Her hair has so much fullness within this pixie, just remarkable. And then we see someone who decided to try out the ginger hair color trend. Loving this hair change, so pretty. We're seeing so many ginger and copper hairstyles this season. It's a great color to try out. And then we see a bob with curtain bangs. The curtain bangs really add a nice amount of volume and texture to the hair, really creating a flattering, volumized look. And then we have someone with a bob haircut that features money piece highlight bangs. She has blonde in the front and then brunette in the back. Very pretty color combination. So here we have someone rocking a very volumized bob. Look at the amount of texture and height that this has. Absolutely incredible. This also features some feathered bangs, feathered layers throughout. Gorgeous. Such a glamorous way to wear your hair. So moving on, we have another hair transformation. She has shoulder length blonde hair. The stylist asks, how short do you want to go? Wow, absolutely gorgeous bob. I really like the way that the color looks with this. There's a nice dimensional feel to it. Absolutely stunning. So for our last transformation, we're going to be checking out someone playing hair roulette. So she wants a short bob. Oh, blonde pastel. Wow, she looks absolutely amazing. She did end up getting kind of like a French girl style bob. Absolutely gorgeous. And the color is so uniquely done. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.